Practice Test 11, the water cycle. Good morning, class. I want to explain the water cycle, the continuous movement of water on Earth. This process keeps water circulating through the atmosphere, land, and oceans, and it is essential for life. The cycle involves four main stages. First is evaporation, when the sun heats water in oceans, lakes, or rivers, turning it into vapor. The vapor rises into the air. Second is condensation. As vapor cools, it turns into tiny droplets, forming clouds. Third is precipitation, when clouds release water as rain, snow, or hail. Finally, we have collection, in which water gathers back into rivers, lakes, and oceans, starting the cycle again. Let's consider two examples. In tropical regions, warm waters cause high rates of evaporation, leading to heavy rainfall and lush vegetation. Meanwhile, in mountainous areas, snow accumulates during winter. When it melts in spring, the water flows into rivers, providing fresh water for valleys below. These examples show how the water cycle varies depending on climate and geography, but always sustains ecosystems. The professor explains the water cycle. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the process and how the professor illustrates it.